In this video, I show you how to fix Messenger could not send message problem. For fixing this problem, go to your Play Store, then search Messenger. Now update your Messenger app if available any update version. Now search for 111 VPN app. Click on it. Then click on install. Then go to settings. Then go to apps or application management. Click on it. Now search for Messenger app. Tap on Messenger. Tap on force stop. Then OK. Then tap on storage and cache. Clear cache. Now open install 111 VPN app and tap on next, then accept, then install VPN profile, then OK. Now tap on allow notification. Now tap on connect button. Wait for connecting. Now open your Messenger app. Now send message someone. Now you can see that this problem fixed. Messenger could not send message problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.